Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS 2.5 slot Premium GeForce RTX 4060 ProArt graphics card. So friend, it is launched at a price of 446 USD dollar. It is equipped with 8 GB of memory, which is not most capable memory specification on the market, especially when considering content creation that ProArt series is designed for, which is content creation, video editing, and such more. And friend, the card has a triple fan cooler that measures 300 by 120 by 50 mm, which means that it requires 2.5 slot. That's one large GPU. Considering we are still looking at 115 watt TDP, at least this model offers some factual clocking, which is 2550 MHz boost out of the box at 2580 MHz with GPU tweak software. Worth noting that the card has an 8-pin power connector and 4 display outputs including 3dB 1.3 and 1 HDMI 2.1, so nothing extraordinary on that front either. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.